Welcome back. Today we are going to explore some of the exercises. These are especially your leg exercises. मार्शल आर्ट्स और ऐसा हमारे टाइप के कराटे वाले क्लासेस में इसको पनिशमेंट के हिसाब से दिया जाता है. Some exercises which are almost, you can say, they are punishing your legs in a good way, right? This can be used for building leg strength, because you need that not only for your kicks but also for your punches, because you are not punching with your hands, you're actually punching with your legs, right? So we need leg strength, we need some stamina, endurance. All this can be built with this. करके देखते हैं. So in most of these exercises you will need to sit like this. This posture is nothing complicated, just sitting like this. Back is straight and I am sitting on my toes. Not squatting, ऐसे लोटा पार्टी के जैसे नहीं बैठे हैं हम, ऐसे इसके ऊपर बैठे. So for the first exercise you need to sit like this and tie your hands at the back. अब यहाँ से we are not doing anything complicated, just walking like this. So from here to here I am just stepping forward and walking. Like आपके पास कमरे में जितनी भी जगह है, it's a room or it's a stadium, anywhere you can do this. Alright? And usually we punish. It's not actually punishment, it is for your own growth, right? So like हमारा dojo या फिर जो भी class होता है in martial art classes, usually it is like 1 round or 2 round or 3 round, right? ऐसे आप कर सकते हैं. Something very simple, just step forward and 1, 2, 3, आ जाइए. यहाँ से वापिस 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exercise number 2. From this position, nothing, just keep your hands back like we did in exercise number 1. यहाँ से just jumping like this, ऐसे खुदक खुदक खुदक, और कुछ नहीं करना है. पैर के टोस पे ही हम जंप कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर नीचे भी नहीं, नीज पे ज्यादा वजन पड़ना नहीं चाहिए. Easy, it is just like here, here, here. See, I'm not opening and jumping up, and I'm also not putting full weight on this. I'm almost like this is tight over here, and I'm jumping on this. इधर ज्यादा जोर नहीं देना है, जोर यहाँ पे देना है. This whole thing is locked. I'm doing it from here. For exercise number 3, just imagine like an imaginary line. सीधा यहाँ से कोई line. Now I actually have a line in the line in between these two mats. So I'm just going to jump here and here and here. हाथ वैसे पीछे है. I'm doing this. Very simple, nothing to explain. 1, 2, 3. Same rules apply. इसमें ज़्यादा वजन नहीं देना. Keep this tight. I'm jumping from the toes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next exercise, हाथ एकदम पीछे रखने के बाद try to balance, not very easy. Try to do like a front kick, not necessarily a front kick, just try to extend one of the leg and then bring it back. So it should look like this and back, this and back. For the next exercise, our foot is flat on the ground, just like a squatting position, and our hands are in front like this. And from here, I try to jump and change my directions like this. So squatting like this, hands are straight, here and here and here, here, here. किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप घूम सकते हैं. 180 भी करने का ट्राई कीजिए, like this and like this and like this, और मे बी फुल सर्कल. नहीं, ये वाला काट दो. Now if you're still here in this video, you might have already understood that all these exercises are more like martial artist exercise. Like for more like agility, strength is there. These are regular exercises, but with an extra jump or extra push. It needs more energy, it needs more explosiveness, जैसे कि मार्शल आर्टिस्ट वगैरह को चाहिए होता है. इसके साथ अगर इस टाइप के एक्सरसाइजेस के साथ हम अपने यूजुअल स्किल्स भी ऐड करें तो बेटर रहेगा. So we need these kind of explosive exercises, plus we need to add our skills with it. So a kick would be a best thing to add with it. So from the squatting position like this, I need to get up and try to include my kicks. So let us see. Next exercise is, from this position your hands are at the back. I just get up to a front kick and I come down. Right? This can be a front kick or a side kick or whatever you want to do. But in our classes we usually do like 10, 20. So that will be very effective. So like 1, down, 2 and down and 3 and down. So from the side, if I show, now this can be done with side kick also. You can do roundhouse kick and any other kick, but side kick is more of an odd kind of kick. So I thought better show that also. Because यहाँ से आपको उठ के थोड़ा सा you need to change your body position and then deliver the kick, right? That is also possible. All you have to do is this extra little twisting and then kick. So very simple. Keep your hands at the back. 1, 2, back. 1, 2. इसी चीज को आप sideways भी कर सकते हैं. Sideways also. So no twisting, nothing like that. So you can just stand up, side kick, and back, and this side down. This side. Now in our next set of exercise, this is a little bit advanced. From here, we just choose one leg. So now I am choosing left. Left से पहले करेंगे, तो मतलब left से ऐसे नीचे जाना है. This can be like this or like this also. So my weight is on this one. So I go down like this, and now I jump using this one. Right? इससे ऐसे कूदेंगे and more like a scissor kick. You can do a front kick like that. Jump with this one. More like a scissor kick. I will do a front kick. Then it lands in this position. Now weight is on this. You can go down here. So I am changing my leg. Little difficult to understand. See, left वाले पे वजन है. Left jumping, left kick. Now my body weight is on right. So down, right kick, left down, left kick. So try these exercises and let me know in the comment section. These have the potential to build your muscle and also endurance, stamina. Maybe you can lose some fat also. Try करके देखिए. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Karate TV online class where we do all this. Link is in description. You can join Karate TV online class. छोटा चैनल है हमारा Karate TV वाले भैया, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Link is in description. Follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. Kalari dhoti, if you like, you can order online. Link is in description. Visit our website karatetv.in. Bas.